Hey guys, what is going on? This is Shaylin from Altcoin Buzz here to report the news for today. So let's get straight into it. So I'm sure by now you are seeing a massive dip or a massive correction in the market. Some people are calling it a crash, some people are calling it a bloodbath, some people are calling it the end of the world. Well, Charles Hoskin has maybe an idea of what is currently happening. So he goes on to say, if I had to guess why the markets are in a bloodbath, then it is likely due to the major enforcement events coming prior to the CFTC and SEC testifying at Congress. So if you guys are not sure what is happening, it looks like they are having a crypto hearing in Senate. So it goes on to say that the hearing will be entitled called Virtual Currencies, the Oversight Role of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and U.S. Commodities Futures Trading Commission. So this comes after the SEC has filed a number of lawsuits in recent weeks against fraudulent initial coin offerings or ICOs, while as reported yesterday, CFTC has moved to scrutinize the activities of cryptocurrency exchange Bitfinex and Tether, the closely related company behind the controversial USD token. So again, guys, this might be another reason why we are seeing a dip or a correction in the market. That alongside with a whole lot of FUD, for example, the Indian government talking about, not being really active in cryptocurrency and just saying that, it's a waste of time, China introducing trading bans and so forth. It seems that a lot of people are just bashing cryptocurrency right now, and this kind of just took the cake right now. But I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see what effect this has. This is, of course, going to happen on February the 6th. So I guess we're just going to have to keep our eyes peeled to see what is going to happen then. So what else is new? Well, insurance companies see a big opportunity in an unregulated cryptocurrency market. So it looks like insurance agencies and insurance companies are really looking to capitalize on cryptocurrency right now, since it is unregulated, and we are starting to see a lot more hacking and a lot more malicious attacks taking place. So for example, we've seen Coincheck with its recent loss of around $534 million worth of cryptocurrencies being lost to hackers. Now if you're not sure exactly how insurance works, well, essentially you just pay them on a fixed rate or a fixed retainer that it happens like consistently, so it could be per month, it could be per week, and in the case that something unfortunate happens, they got your back and they will reimburse you for whatever has been lost. So it seems like right now with cryptocurrencies, with all of these hacks taking place, no one is really stepping up to the plate. So by seeing insurance companies really looking to do this, I think it is only good, because once more people see that, hey, I'm so scared that, hackers are going to come and steal my money or my hard-earned cryptocurrency. Now if something happens like that and we have an insurance behind them, they'll be able to find a remedy for that very easily. So I'm really interested to see how this really plays out in the future, but I certainly think this is good. So what else is happening? Well, credit card firms are charging fees for buying cryptocurrency. So now it seems that we are starting to see credit card firms actually charge fees when you try and buy any types of cryptocurrency. So this could be Ethereum, Bitcoin, and so on. So Coinbase, the most popular cryptocurrency exchange and the most associated with the recent speculation of retail investors, sent an email to some of its customers early on February the 1st, alerting them that credit card companies are beginning to threat cryptocurrency purchases as cash advance, lending to fees and high interest rate on these transactions. So it seems that more credit card firms are starting to add more fees, making it harder for people to actually purchase cryptocurrencies. Personally, I don't think this is actually such a big deal as this article is making it. I certainly think that, of course, adding fees is certainly bad, but again, credit card companies, firms need to be adding these fees in order for them to actually make revenue for their businesses. But in saying so, if the fees are ridiculous, for example, like PayPal, then that could really push a lot of people off the platform and stop them from purchasing altogether. Of course, there might be another remedy for them to actually buy, cryptocurrencies. For example, Coinbase could use another payment gateway, or the charging fees could also be at a slightly lower rate, and then that should be fine. For example, Visa has its own fees, and everyone seems fine with that. So why are they starting to increase this dramatically? I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see how this plans out as well. So, chat app known as Line announces plan for cryptocurrency service loans and insurance. So Line, the popular messaging app with around 200 million monthly users, is embracing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to fend off increased competition from Facebook and other platforms out there. So the Japanese company today announced the creation of the new financial service division, which spearhead a move into cryptocurrencies and other services including loans and insurance. Line already operates as a payment service which claims 40 million users and 4 billion in annual GMV, but it now plans to do much more. So I certainly love new innovation, and seeing Line, a popular messaging app, it's kind of like Telegram. I've used Line a couple of times just to make some calls and use it, and it seems like a very good app. To see that they are integrating cryptocurrencies, it's only really up from here. I'm really grateful and happy to see that more apps right now are taking full advantage of this. Speaking of developments, China's Cheetah Mobile launches cryptocurrency wallet. So China's mobile company known as Cheetah Mobile has announced its entry to the world of cryptocurrency wallets. So launching its new Safe wallet, the firm says that it has just released its Android-only wallet, which is designed to be user-friendly, allowing customers to easily manage their cryptocurrency assets. They're also working on launching their iOS version, so that will follow very shortly. So they go on to say that the Safe Wallet employs a unique three-tiered security defense system that protects users in three key areas, including user behavior, phone security, and asset management to provide maximum protection for users' digital assets and prevent them from being lost or stolen. So I find this really interesting that a new wallet is being released from China. As you know, China has been really against cryptocurrencies with them banning exchanges, making it bottom line impossible for people to actually get involved with cryptocurrency. So to see them, really take this approach, to see a company out of there really launch their mobile wallet, I find this hope for China. So I guess we're just gonna have to see how this plans out. But Cheetah Mobile certainly looks like it has a bright future ahead. So let's head over to Twitter and let's see what new updates we have. So Cointelegraph has just posted this update around 3 hours ago, and they posted scam warning, fake emails from Cointelegraph. So it seems that a lot of people out there are taking advantage of Cointelegraph and manipulating their system. So they go on to say that all emails without Cointelegraph.com that are pretending to be us are scammers. Please do not give them any money, any resources, or any type of information. So just goes to show you, please be very careful out there. Make sure if you guys are sending information that you're sending it to the right company, the right coins, and so forth like that. They will never really ask for your private keys or any type of donations or anything of that nature, so be very careful out there. So IOTA has just posted this update around 18 hours ago, so to welcome Matthew to the IOTA Foundation. So it seems like IOTA is really making some massive moves out there. As you can see, Matthew is interested in the Internet of All Things revolution, and he looks to be making some massive waves for IOTA, so well done to them. Speaking of adding new additions to their team, Tron has a new addition. So their former technical expert of Baidu, I think I'm pronouncing that right, is reported that they have a new expert. So a new former technical expert joins Tron's team. So really interesting to see how this will plan out. His name is Edison Wu. So Lisk has also posted an update. So they've been listed on another exchange known as Huobi Pro. So you can go and grab them there if you guys are interested. And as you can see, you can get them with Bitcoin or Ethereum. Those are the two trading pairs which have been listed there. So that is it from the news today, guys. If you guys are new here, be sure to follow us on Twitter at altcoinbuzzio. We're constantly posting updates on here and sharing our thoughts about what we think about the market and just cryptocurrency in general. We're also on Instagram at altcoinbuzz. And we're growing our community very rapidly. So we have a Facebook group called the Altcoin Buzz Army, where a lot of people are dropping in their comments and memes and just overall what they think about the market right now and what coins we should look at and so forth like that. We also have a Telegram, a Discord, and we're all over the place. So I'll leave a link to everything linked below where you guys can find us and connect with us. And that is it today from the news, guys. If you guys are new here, make sure you turn on post notifications on all of our social medias such as Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Make sure you also turn on post notifications on YouTube and smash that subscribe button below, as well as press a like on this video. And that is it today from the news, guys. I will catch you guys on the next video.